There's Jared running the tractor. We got crazy amount of snow yesterday. We got more coming. Just trying to get a head start on the plow. I got the truck cleaned off and the steps wiped down. You see the depth of this. I'm walking in the dog's tracks because my boots aren't tall enough. Snow's going over my boots. Can't hardly see very well. Stand up next to the dog. Kimber, come here. Come here. Good girl. Yeah, well, it's about halfway at the dog. I'm kind of seeing the tractor tires. Let me zoom in a minute.